So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to open your video using VLC Media Player. So you want to find your video and then right click on it and then click on open with and then click on VLC Media Player. See if that fixes your problem. If you don't have VLC Media Player installed, then you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for VLC Media Player. Click on it. Now you want to install it and then open your video with VLC Media Player. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem.